Welcome to MobileTechExplained.com. Today we're going to talk about how to name your iPhone. First, you're going to want to unlock your iPhone. Then select the Settings app. Once you're in your settings menus, you're going to want to select General. Then choose About. Notice the top option where it says Name. Currently it has the generic iPhone as the name of your phone. Let's select that here. And now we have the ability to name it whatever you'd like. I'm going to change the name of the iPhone to MobileTechExplained.com. I'm also going to give a plug-in to the website. I recommend you go to MobileTechExplained.com and look at all the different videos and tutorials that are listed there. Hit done in the bottom right corner once you're done typing, and notice that it now says MobileTechExplained.com as the new name. And that's it. Now when I plug my iPhone into a computer or share it with another person, instead of saying the generic iPhone, it's going to say whatever you typed in there. Please tell your friends and family about these videos, and thanks for watching.